do. Should've known it's always the same with you. Trying not to feel a connection, but oh my god, it's kinda tempting. You say, can we leave now? I don't think